Abusuya ye ma me ba kon ewo UK na me ne wo kasai ne bu afu yie papa o se odwene Ghana mmabunu ho a ogidi se ebeche ansa na dodo no ehu nyansa isan se ohwe adwene ekita omo a omode nam oman Ghana hanom sei no na omama politics edidi omotremu nti omo hu boni mpo a enam se ye omo party na ye nti omo se ye papa no ebeche ansa na Ghana youth ebehu nyansa na ne nyina ne se obeka ya na otu atwa mu na Bank of Ghana ebeto abonten se omo ba ye NDC aban no awesti $10 billion they are intervening in the area of forex ama dollar ne 1474 meto e no they aba 1155 na we na ya maami e video na oka say why waste $10 billion just to stabilize the dollar wa abra betim di brief factories na eno e na video ye no comment section e butua komu a ese woni ense oka che na so mai maami o UK ne buafu yo che Ghana youth sebi preduasa se oman we ebe ye a ebe che san se ndwin adwin a eda timamufuo no etrimu no ese woni ense okachire na me no me share video no I was very disappointed because I was not expecting say Ghanaians will act that way but I go tell some my men that to Ghana embra
ebusuya for just a quick one. We posted a video that make about your public debt increase by 71 billion Ghana cedis. Now so what comment section now what share Ghana for e binom said ye na maybe omo comment here go be say won say anso san crofo no omo pese o mine be kwa nanim anaso pese o mine ye stagnant. We are talking about say ye national debt, public sector debt increase because of that ninti ye bet you have more interest e wo hono instead of say be ka say 8 then ye be ye bet me reduce ye ntimi e accumulating more debt no we see it is okay. It is okay because dollar ni okay with the cedis ninti it is okay. It is okay because who dreams will be a jandam. It is okay because who dreams say IMF will be say they are IMF to say will be crack baby or say they are IMF they are under IMF so IMF is the one telling them what to do. Like are you really people okay? How can IMF tell you say inject your money person with your development kronum inject it into the economy na massive in dollar rate in equivalent? Which kind of IMF the cancer? That IMF reside in your head because IMF bia ni ho be catch will say sika so the puntio na e mighty reject e can say regenerate e can say more income no ebe break to the economy for you to pay up your debt no say can fan kwaye development too but rather than inject into the system ebe masidi no any dollar na equity that IMF is residing in your head and only your head does it reside. If you have this kind of people, this kind of mindset, micro mini mindset people then we have a crisis in the nation. And so shocking and so sad. Say when we are talking about something, instead of saying in a far baby film, say moving forward, how are we going to do for the economy to be stable? They are rather we are rather chastising. We are rather chastising the person that is coming to tell you. Say BBC in Ekoso. We have a crisis in our mindset. We need to change the way I drain or your dream for because it is so shocking. It is so shocking. You were a nation now. There are so many things. Imagine a nation of Ghana, for example. Your average lifespan of Ghanaian between 65 to 66. And man crapo de sebe men kan you know omukran do 65 no mahre wo omunkwa. And man to meet stake across to 68. And it is okay. All these things, there are so many factors. Your lifespan, you can say your lifestyle can home, your economical you can say differences can home, your environmental differences can home, your geographical location can home, all these things. But if we have a steady and a reliable and kind of say a healthy economy, one thing say no crab with healthy people. Mindset you crab healthy. Your body will be healthy because at the end of the day, no one my depression, pressure back. One drink now, because you are too stressed, you are too depressed, and you know, youth echo look for aphrodisiac drink to go and you kind of saying, "Omuko release your tension." And all this aphrodisiac drink now, at the end of the day, no, a possible kidney problem. And man will at a earlier even rate than the 65 na ya man, no. When you are there, what's it? We don't want this, but rather, no, it is okay because you feel that the person doesn't belong to your party. Until it is okay. Me ma buy na woso, and it is okay. I be besi bia enkoso. I mo ba na mo ma buy mo da. Okay. Like micro mini mindset. Ebeye den eni etimi akoye nim se sa adwin we na da yetiri mu a. Kind of for what is happening? We have refused to just I don't even know the kind of word to use to quantify this. We have become a nation where we want to be stagnant in our mindset. Our ideology, our way of thinking in it is okay. Ye penisa. Wow. Na sebe kran. Nyame obo so ni aba asase no enyama sesa. Enti na aboa ye kan saying butterfly. Obeye odane ne ho a wo hwese the butterfly dan oyi ne ho ansa ma bebeye butterfly. But Ghana for the per se sanity. I am a buying aba. And so this is okay. So your family and friends cry you okay. Say economy is stagnant, you okay. Your problem. Ghana for your problem. Say your micro mini a drink kitten no. A drink I kitten and I drink I person a bet think ahead no. The earlier we think and make sure say we are looking for economy a bit me poor me. Wo enemy ebebuano the earlier the better. Kakra me kana no. I mean sure bia.
Bon say na e wo mu no. Country na e wo na kwakwa say party bi eye bibia. Na ade ne nya enam say ne political party no. Enya kra na o say eye. What you say o? Onim say what the people are doing enye o. But sick of the party and also affiliated to that political party no. Omani look to say a good thing, and that is one thing ha o mind Ghana. Many workers say a better thing. Say Ghana a bit may develop it. When you say I brought to about 2024 year, CNN. I think CNN and I say one of the biggest media houses in the world. I think either CNN or BBC. Report like I say Ghana is the only country poor people reject something that is free. As some kind of something Amoshi, Papa, Ghana is a serious country. I was saying, analyze this idea. No, you see, we live in a country where the people don't think far. They always think with their political mind, not their common sense. To them, can hear. Omo politics are doing no, and they be omoye. Omo fa common sense in count. Omo fa nyansa en count. And on a yard about one ha or mind. Ghana na ewo musisiano. That is the biggest problem back one year. You see, for so many years, Ghana or minor youth a woman, they be anima politicians take care for granted. And that's the reason why we are where we are today. Ghanaians are crying so many Juman yet. 24-hour economy mama can't so buy no buy and on people are suffering. But these same governments are wasting $10 billion just to stabilize the cities. And you people are happy about it. Whilst many workers say you're not being a pay crown, and it's very, 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 very sad. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. But then that is Ghanaians for you. That's Ghanaian for you. Hi Ghana, same team. I'm just on the program. I'm going to your comment section. We going to like it. Not share. Not subscribe to channel. No, if I'm Facebook, TikTok, I've been on Instagram. Then you know, promise the blogger. Yanko Pong in share February. Peace, shalom, bye bye. Happy Christmas, and I say Fishy Apa. I think come back to you. I feel say name that what tears now. Ya come away Yanko Pong dino aye. I mean, Insta OBB or Shagana and Sam TV. I feel in I know and a Yashabum and Yanko Pong in Stamina. Peace, shalom, bye bye.